Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your teacher Madiha Abbasi. Let's start our today's lecture. Class 8 week 4 subject English language topic future continuous with will be and be going to. This is an assignment that you will be able to do after the completion of your lecture. So let's have explanation of your topic. Simple future. Simple future used to refer to actions that will happen in the future. There are two patterns in making a sentence in simple future. That means we have two ways to make it, will and be going to. We can use both of them. In making a positive simple future statement using will, the pattern is subject plus will plus verb in base form. It means the first form of the verb will be used here. Let's see few examples. You will buy new shoes. They will attend the class tomorrow. You can see the verb highlighted with green color are in base form, the first form of the verbs. Now, this is the second pattern in making a positive simple future statement using be going to. The pattern is subject plus am is are plus going to plus verb in base form. Let's have examples. She is going to visit her brother in Canada. I'm going to call her. You can see verb are in base form and the subjects are having be, is and am. Now let's have explanation of future progressive, that is also known as future continuous, and it's also related with our today's topic. There are two patterns in making a future progressive tense statement like it was in simple future. The subject plus will plus be plus verb in present participle. Subject plus be going to plus be plus verb in present participle form. So these are the two patterns. Actions that will be happening at a certain time in the future will be going to. Let's have some examples. I will be sleeping at 10 p.m. I'm going to be sleeping at 10 p.m. In this sentence, the action be sleeping is happening at 10 p.m. Another example. Claire will be studying by this time tomorrow. Claire is going to be studying by this time tomorrow. Now let's move toward our today's topic from the book. Future tense, be going to will. Complete the dialogue with the words and phrase in the textbook and either be going to or will. Use each word or phrase only once. Words are get, like, not be, not watch, open, stay, play, do, visit. There's a conversation between A and B. Do you have any plans for the weekend? Yes, I'll be playing cricket with my friends. What will you do for your holidays? I'm not sure yet. It's very hot in the classroom. I will open a window. What do you plan to do for your holidays? I don't know. I think I'll be staying at home. Will you visit cinema this evening? No, I have to take care of my little sister. Why are you so happy? My brother will be married. I haven't read this book. I'm sure you'll like it. I didn't pass the test. The teacher will not be happy with you. There's a great film on TV tonight. I will not watch it. I have other plans. I hope you understood all these blanks very well. Thank you so much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.